you've been quiet for a while. Are we going to keep moving? The queen is probably already dead, so there's not much to worry about, although some prisoners could still cause problems. Some doors are restricted and require different items, but I could build a device that lets us get through all of them without trouble. Search through the things and bring them to me. Leave them on the table. That's useless. This level is almost empty. Let's keep going down to the mutant city. Malujan may seem kind, but he's strict with his rules. The switch seems to be broken. We can only go up. I don't think things will be that bad up there. Let's go and find another way to keep going down. We might run into others like me, so I'll put on this hat so you can recognize me. We've arrived. We're at a very high level, where Amariel can help us. He is the one who created me, and he can guide us down to find your son. Amariel, are you there? I need your help.
Hello, Vurvur. Human, what do you need?
We need to get to the city of Malujan.
I understand, of course. I have an elevator here that will take us straight down to the city of Malujan. But first, I need you to help me finish some things. Vurvur, stay with the others. Let the human help me. Well, I won't ask how it's possible that you killed the queen, or that you're still here without a single scratch. With the help of my Vurvur army, I captured all the experiments that because of you, became corrupted, and now I know it was you. Vasco told me everything. If you help me restore them, you will be able to leave with Vurvur. The first task is simple. Activate all the generators to restore normally. Don't worry, this time it won't be the same as with Vurvur. But hurry, time's running out. You did it! Nice! By the way, the time thing was just a joke. Lermely will recover very soon. Now let's go with Vurvur. His case is much more complex than this. Well, where do I start? Since we captured him, he has remained calm. I've tried to restore him to the natural form, but it's far too complicated for me. I sent Basigo to bring me the Queen's Scepter, but he hasn't returned yet. I tried to contact him, but he's not responding. I need your help to go up and bring me the scepter. Also, could you look for Basigo and find out why he's taking so long? Maybe someone took it and hurt Basigo. Just go, and if you find anything strange, come back immediately. Good luck.
I haven't seen you since the upper floors. A lot has happened. The Queen guys have the Queen Scepter. He started corrupting some of the experiments. It would recommend going there. It's his hideout.
or something?
Before you go down, I left some of my experiments on them. They are still too small to move on their own. I'm worried about what could happen to them up there. Bring them back to me.
Next time, I'll make sure you have no way to escape.
Very bad things happen. Without me knowing, Lime took control of my office. Lerma didn't fully recover. The only ones who made out were my assistants and... about the Vurvur who came with you, he is still trapped inside. I'm very sorry. Fix the elevator so we can escape. They will hold the door. access to almost all the doors in this place. Lime took over this room to create his own kingdom. The things that they stayed behind, we can use the elevator to reach Malugan and stop all of this. What are you doing there?
I am the king here now.
You shouldn't be sitting there. If Lime comes, he might...
I know what you did. Also thought you could control everyone in the sector, didn't you?
It's not true. I needed to help our friends.
Friends? I know how manipulative you can be. You tricked Rasako into bringing you its scepter. This was all part of your plan. You didn't care about using him like a simple pawn, just to keep creating your clones and expand your control. I'm no longer going to be anyone's servant. I was locked in the Queen's prison because of you, and that ends now. I want to be something more. I want to free everyone. And to do that, I'm going to destroy every leader in this place. There are still many left, and I won't stop until I see them all fall.
Let's get out of here. We need to warn Malugan about this.
Vurvur, go after me. There's nowhere left for you to go. Once I take control of both of you, you will obey without question. Then we will move against the rest, one by one, until everything in this place belongs to me.
I'll try to hold them back. Fine, Malugan.